park the Mingla Florigan something, right? The park name
Frognerbaken.
from the Bergen. Or the park in Ming Dirisha. And the Mila Lochi Missai chicks, Dinal Yunguresa, visit Chiguresa. And the Yujon Dusesha. And Dinal Mountain sculpture. Yuma Franzuki sculpture. Or the name of Susha. And Tai Gundu Pura sculpture. You can show the okay, I'll go there. This is the Kade Gabla. Gemu da Gemu Nobel di Norway Gemu Gega Palace Kaza di Independence Day la the parade so me Mango Shuji Zomsha and the Padu the Geramba Dudwa and Geragi Hunzo di Chido and the Bangla Visela was a blessing Chidwa. All the Resha, England, England, don't take you the Mindu. That's a gig up this Chumarua, Norway. England, they gig away to Chigawa. All also, and got the Garum Chigi, Nobel Shesagi Didwa. Office you said it. One did drain, yeah, Jamishu. Thank you. Ye Gabla the Nobel, Alfred Nobel statue. They like Garum Chigi Nobel Sinda Shesa the Resha and Dela Rada, worse de later. Norway gets Oslo. And they got Teso Chedule, Garum Chigi Nobel Sinda Shesa, the Tine de Resha and the Ketchup shoot also. Taga de Padu. Mayor, have your name?
My name is Jim Millward.
You're American?
I'm an American.
Oh, I'm American too.
Yeah?
I'm from Southern California.
Okay, I'm a professor at Georgetown.
Oh, wow.
University.
Nice to meet you. So can you tell us a little bit more about the...
So I'm here as a researcher just for a few months at the Nobel Institute. And they have, well, they do several things. The main thing that you've heard about is they are the place where the Nobel Peace Prize is decided. And people will make nominations, journalists and some politicians, I believe, and college professors are allowed to nominate people. And so that's how His Holiness the Dalai Lama was nominated. And then there's a committee of 5 eminent Norwegian people who decide, and that committee changes membership over time. And there's also some research involved when the nominations are made, because the nominations themselves can be very simple. Right, just a name really. And so there's a research staff here. There's a very big library that concerns peace and international affairs. And the library is open to the public and students and university students come in here, and has one of the largest libraries in Norway on foreign affairs and those kinds of things. So that's in the building.
So I recently learned that this Nobel Peace Prize only decided by Norway, Nobel Committee in Norway only. So other Nobel Prize like physics, science, those are decided from Sweden. Is that right?
Right. So when Alfred Nobel endowed the prizes for reasons that I don't think people really know, he chose the Peace Prize to go to Norway, and then the others he assigned to Sweden, where there are teams of specialists, usually in those particular fields in economics and physics and chemistry and so on, that do the deciding. But here it's a group that is they are Norwegian who decided, but it is not the Norwegian government. And this is a mistake which particularly actually the government of the People's Republic of China often confuses, because they see it as they have seen, for example, when Liu Xiaobo got the Peace Prize, and probably the Dalai Lama as well. Beijing has seen this as an attack on China, and that's what they usually do.
Okay. Yeah, very good to know that. Distinction is not given by the government. It's just an independent.
It's an independent
committee
organization. Now, sometimes the committee has former government officials on it, people involved in public affairs. So that's where perhaps some of the confusion comes from.
Yeah, those government officials are not like sitting presidents. Those are already set up their terms.
They're retired officials, I believe.
Yeah,
yes,
exactly.
Most of them.
Thank you very much, and
Certainly.
very nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm from Southern California, Los Angeles. You are from
From Washington, D.C.
Washington DC. Okay, I've been there like twice.
Okay.
Very nice. A lot of political things happen there. You know, it's just like close to my heart.
Yeah. Well, I'm connected. I teach about Asia and China, and I'm in particular connected with East Turkestan issues.
Oh yeah, Xinjiang.
Xinjiang.
Correct.
Yeah, and I've written about the history of Xinjiang and East Turkestan as well.
Wonderful.
So,
Yeah, coincidentally I met you. You know, maybe it's my karma.
well,
You know, I never had a
glad-
plan.
It's a wonderful institution here, and I'm very glad to say a little bit about it. Of course, I'm not an expert, I'm just a visiting researcher. But if you come back during business hours, you can come in and perhaps even arrange a tour.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Certainly.
I appreciate it.
All right, thanks.
Thank you.